Hello, my name is Cavallo with Capoeira Maculelê, Miami. In this clip, we're going to show you how to do some different capoeira kicks. Vou fazer benção. Okay? First move is called benção. Okay? Mais uma vez, agora deixa eu pegar. Okay? Second is a ponteira. A direita, deixa eu pegar. De novo. Okay? Third is a direct chapa. Fourth, meia-lua de frente, esquiva. And fifth, gancho. Vou entrar. De novo. Now I'm going to show you the difference between two of those kicks, which are the benção and the ponteira. In benção, it's more of a push than a kick. You want to push your opponent away from you or out of the circle. Okay? Okay. Ponteira is more of a direct blow. Okay? Okay. Leg comes up, knee bent, extend of the foot. Make sure your foot and your toes are pointing up. Okay? Up. You do not want to have your toes pointed. If I point my toes, I can get hurt. So I want to make sure my toes are pointed up, direct to the stomach. Once again, this has been Cavallo and Venus with Capoeira Maculelê, Miami.